Hi, Marilyn here, and welcome to my sewing room. I thought that I'd join you today, and while you get a lot of our emails talking about what we have new, I thought that it might be fun for you to see them, well, have me show them to you, because we don't have time to meet up lately. So first I'm going to go through a few of the items that we've gotten in stock. Some of them are magazines and a couple books, and of course we have a lot more, but I thought I'd give you a sneak peek. First off, we have the new quilt sampler. A lot of you know that it comes twice a year, and it's here, and it's fabulous. I've gotten time to look through it. There's some great patterns and shops to drool over, so you can get that from us. And then we have two new wonderful magazines out, called Quilting and Quilts and More. So they're fresh here and ready for you to pick up. And all of these things are available on links with the email that are getting out, and also just by going to our website under Notions or magazines and books. We also have this wonderful new book by Brenda Riddle. It's called Acorn Quilts, and there's wonderful new ideas and projects in here, so you might want to check that out. And then some of you are doing things with cutting and turning, and we have lots of these in stock now. The rotating mat, I use this all the time. I think it's fabulous. So we do have those in stock. And then we just got these in. It's called Quilting Solutions Premium Quilting Supply Kit. And there's lots of fun little things here, like if you're traveling around or just here, you want to keep everything organized. It's packed with pins and rulers and clips and well, let's see, it has all kinds of things: marking pencils, threader, thimble, needles, quilts, straight pins. And if it's not all the things you'll use, you can always put your gadgets in that you like. So we have some of those in stock and ready to buy. And I love these. These are a 3-piece project bag set. They're a little gingham on the go. These have 1, 2, 3, well, it's a 3-piece set of bags, all 3 different sizes, and they're super cute mesh bags to put all your goodies in. So those are some of the notions, and you can see I have new 505 in stock. We have lots of needles and thread, so you can always check that out. And if you can't find it on our website, just give us an email or a call, and we will see what we can find for you. I thought I'd go through some of the project kits that we have. We had sent out an email with some great discounted kits that we have, and you see the picture of what they look like, but you didn't get to see how cute the fabric is. So this one's called Diggity Dog, and it comes with a layer cake. Super cute fabrics, and then really, really cute fabrics that go along. And it actually makes a quilt top and 2 pillows. So, and we have coordinating fabric to go to make the backing. So it comes with the top and the binding to make the top and the 2 pillows. So the quilt size is 65 by 70, and then the pillows are 21 by 21. So that's Diggity Dog. Next I have, it's called the Perfect 10. A lot of us are familiar with that. And this is called the Navy Quilt Kit, but you didn't get to see how cute the fabrics are. So here's some of the fabrics in it. And then the back, some of the other coordinating fabrics. And this quilt is 60 by 72. And it has the pattern in it and the fabric for the top and the binding. And then the next kit is called Elisa. And this one is called the Elisa Gray. So it's grays and yellows. So isn't that pretty? With coordinating grays and yellows and florals. And then we have some of the fabrics actually in stock from this line. And so it has some really, really pretty fabrics in there. And I have a couple of the bolts pulled. And actually I pulled this one because it coordinates. And then we have the yellow from there, and we actually have the stripe also that's in there. So that's another fun kit. So see, even while you're still might be staying at home, we have lots of things for you to make. And then we have a couple really fun Bargello kits. This one, they're called Botanica. We have them in 2 colorways. This is the purple and kind of periwinkle, green, periwinkle and green. And what's fun is these are all with 2.5-inch strips, and then some fabric to cut. I just thought I'd give you a little sneak peek of what the colors are in the strips. And we have some of these fabrics in stock for backing. I have a couple of the bolts here for that. So you can see how pretty those fabrics are. Okay, I'm stacking up in front of me here. And then we have another one that's kind of grays and rusty grays and brown, like rust and grays, which are beautiful. And we have some coordinating, not exactly from this line, but fabrics that coordinate for backing. So those are really fun. And all the patterns for the top, the patterns are in these kits in the top and the binding. And all you need are backing, and like I said, we have great things to go with the backs. We do have pattern parties, so I'm gonna like have you walk back here with me. So we have two kits here. I'm gonna turn my back on you for a second, but we have one here and it's called Spring Stars. And we have a really fun kit for that. This is our pattern party. And it includes everything for the top and the binding and the pattern. And so Spring Stars, and that's just gorgeous with really fun fabric for the border. And we do have some coordinates available for the backing. And so that's a really fun one with stars. It's easy to make. And then we have a beautiful little bunny's crib quilt. And this one's a smaller one and really, really cute with bunnies and 9 patches. So two really cute pattern party quilts. What I'm really excited to show you are these new fabrics that we've gotten in. We might have had one of these last year, but we've gotten more of them, and then all these different ones. So we've made aprons before, and I love this pattern. It's the Mom and Me pattern. Of course, you don't have to make it for Mom and Me. You can make it for yourself or a friend. For the adult, it takes 3/4 of a yard for the main fabric, and then 3/4 a yard for the coordinating fabric. Super fun, super easy to make. Make one for you and a friend if you want. But look at these fun fabrics. And we have one that's, you know, for baking and apple pie, so fun and cute. We have one with hot chili peppers. I mean, wouldn't that be cute even for like a table runner or a hot pad? And then fun outdoor cooking, 4th of July theme. And then this one, look at this, canning day, so cute and fun. Even placemats or napkins or a fun quilt. How about that? So get your thinking caps on, and we have lots of these patterns available and all this fabric, and they are online ready for you to buy. So I wanted to show you that. We do have lots of elastic in, and it came in saying it's white, but frankly, I think it's light gray. It doesn't look that white to me. So, you know, it's labeled white, but I'm just being, oh, there's a kitty, help to show us. Okay, but it really does look light gray to me, so I'm just being upfront about that. But we have 2 big rolls of that available for your making. Okay, the next thing I want to talk to you about is called Cherry Lemonade by Jason Yenter of In the Beginning. We have these, we're making them. So the first thing that I'm going to be doing is the block of the month. Look at that gorgeous picture. I'm going to actually show you. Whoa, there it goes. We have these cute, cute box kits made. I'm going to take the fabric out and show you how delicious it is. It is so pretty. This is what it comes in a booklet, and I'm going to be doing a block of the month. Yep, I am. I've already started just the piecing the first little block. Yeah, started. You know, I haven't got it all together, but you know, it's almost there. So what I'm doing for everybody is when we're all ready to rock and roll again is I am redrafting the pattern, because you know that's what I do to make it easy for you, so that you can use your wing clipper if you want, so that we're cutting the blocks down, making it a little easier to sew, and so it's super exact and accurate. If you've worked with me before, you know that I know how to do that. So if you want to work along with me, we're going to have kits available. I have 12 kits. So you can check it out. I'll have that coming up soon, and I'll have some details in an email going out to you. And look at these, how pretty it is. And then what I love, love, love is some of those connectors. It's actually pre-printed. Oh, look at how pretty that is. So that kit is all available. It's 16.5 yards of fabric, and it's going to be gorgeous. Also with this line, we have a table runner coming out, and we have the garden twist kit coming out with these. So we have a couple other kits that will be out probably within the next week online. So look for that. And if you're anxious to get it, just shoot me an email and I'll save you one. Can't wait for that. So that's in line, coming in a fun little box, all wrapped up for you. The next thing that we have, also this really nice Heartland quilt from Michael Miller Fabrics. There's the beautiful, it's like kind of like 4th of July bandana fabrics. We have lots of them for backing, and it's a really, really nice quilt. And we have that in hand, and we have pictures online too. So one of my staff has it in hand, and once I have it, I'll show you in person. Okay, so that's really a nice kit that we have online. The next thing that we have by Cora Yoder is Canning Day, and this is what it looks like on the front of the box. I love these boxes. I've seen it online quilted. Oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. I'm ready to make one. It's 69 by 89, so it's a good size quilt. But look at inside. I mean, it's wrapped up a little bit, but you get these 10-inch rolls and then lots of fabric. So pretty. It's so pretty for the summer. It looks pretty easy to make. I would use some of my fun rulers. So if you want to talk to me about it, I'd show you how to do that. And we have some great fabrics that go with this if you want backing or to change the size. Look at how pretty these are. It has a really pretty white on white with little flowers on it. And then some of the bigger prints in the back. So we have some really pretty fabrics that go with Canning Day. You can see the picture, but the pictures don't look always that great. But when you see it in person, oh my gosh, it's so nice. So I'll push those off to the side. The last kit I want to show you is Catalina from Fig Tree Quilts. And it's a gorgeous patriotic quilt. Of course, it's not just for 4th of July. You can have it any time of year. The fabrics are wonderful. This is what it looks like inside with your pattern and all the beautiful fabrics all packed up nicely. And you can see some of the bolts right in front of me here laid out, so pretty. So this comes with all the fabrics for the top, the binding, and the pattern, and then we have some for your backing. For the backing, it takes 3 3/4. And we also have another fun kit coming out with this called Ladybug. So we'll have some kits ready, and those will be ready for next week. You'll be seeing an email with the Ladybug kits. Look at how darling that is with the same line. And then I believe that we also have a table runner coming out with these, so you'll see an email with this line. The last thing that I'd like to mention is we have tons of new batiks added to our inventory in our online shop, also all of our dots, and we have a full inventory of all our fabrics at our home. So we are offering by appointment only in-home shopping if you're well and if you wear a mask, so you have to do it by appointment. So give us a call. You can come over and do some shopping if that works out for us and you. And thank you for supporting us. Enjoy. Bye.